Hey guy,
Hey.
what are you doing?
Hey, I'm Duff.
What's that, my friend?
Oh, I Duff about cow.
Whoa, cow. Cow is on the sky.
No, I mean cloud computing.
Oh! Why you don't ask me, my friend? I can tell you all about it. I know everything about cloud computing.
Can you teach me about it? I need to know everything about cloud computing.
Yes, I will teach you. Okay, let's go to listen.
Hello everybody. Today we will talk about cloud computing. Cloud computing. Introduction. Cloud computing provides use a means by which we can access the application as utility over the internet. It's also used to create, configure and customize application online. With cloud computing, user can access database resources via the internet from anywhere for as long as they need without worrying about any maintenance or management of extra resources. What is cloud? The term cloud refers to a network or internet. In other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at remote location. Cloud can provide service over network, on public network or on private network, WAN, LAN or VPN. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management or run in cloud. Example, this is web conferencing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring, and accessing the application online to offer online data storage, infrastructure, and application. Cloud computing is both a combination of software and hardware-based computing resources delivered as a network service. Example, this is cloud computing architecture.
Okay, basic concept. There are the certain service and model working behind the scene, making the cloud computing visible and accessible to end user. Following are the working model for cloud computing. 1. Deployment model. 2. Service model. Okay, development model. Development model defines the type of access to the cloud. How the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the 4 types of access: public, private, hybrid, and community. Okay, this is 4 types of access. 1. Public cloud. 2. Private cloud. 3. Hybrid cloud. And 4. Community cloud. Okay, public cloud. The public cloud allows system and service to be easily accessible to the general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness. Email. Private cloud. The private cloud allows system and service to be accessible within an organization. It offers increased security because of its private nature. Okay, this is comparison choosing between public cloud and private cloud. The public cloud is publicly shared virtual resource, but private cloud is privately shared virtual resource. Okay, public cloud is support multiple customers, but private cloud is culture of dedicated customer. Public cloud is support connectivity over the internet, but private cloud connectivity over internet, fiber, and private network. Public cloud is used for less confidential information, but private cloud used for secure confidential information for system.
Next, community cloud. The community cloud allows system and service to be accessible by group of organizations. Hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a mixture of public and private cloud. However, the critical activities are performed using private cloud, while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. Service model. Service models are the reference models on which the cloud computing is based. This can categorize into three basic service models as listed below. 1. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. 2. Platform as a service, PaaS. 3. Software as a service, SaaS. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS. IaaS is the delivery of technology infrastructure as an on-demand scalable service. IaaS provides access to fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual machine, virtual storage, usually built based on usage. Usually multi-tenant virtualized environment can be grouped with managed service for OS and application support. Example IaaS, open source. Open source is a managed hosting is a decentralized hosting service with support for multiple applications or operating system and database. Next, example, Blizzard Entertainment. Blizzard Entertainment is a PC game developer and publisher. Since the release of Warcraft in 1994, it has been one of the most successful game development studios in the world.
Platform as a service, PaaS. PaaS provides the runtime development for application development and deployment to etc. PaaS provides all of the facility required to support the complete life cycle of building and delivering web application and service entirely from the internet. Typically, application must be developed with a particular platform in mind. Multi-tenant development, highly scalable multi-tier architecture. For example, PaaS, Amazon Web Service. Amazon Web Service is a collection of cloud computing services that make up the on-demand computing platform offered by Amazon.com. These services operate from 12 geographical regions across the world. The next, the Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform and infrastructure created by Microsoft for building, deployment, and managing application and service through a global network of Microsoft managed data center. The next, software as a service, SaaS. SaaS model allows to use software application as a service to end user. SaaS is a software delivery methodology that provides license multi-tenant access to software and its function remotely as a web-based service, usually built based on usage, usually multi-tenant development, highly scalable architecture. For example, SaaS example, Google App for Work is a suite of cloud computing, productivity, and collaboration software tools and software offered on a subscription basis by Google. And the next example, NetSuite. NetSuite is a sales and eponymous group of software service used to manage business operation and customer relation. Customer access this service over the internet paying periodic subscription-free NetSuite service primarily aimed at medium to enterprise size business.
Okay everyone, I will talk about advantage and disadvantage. Okay, let's go. The first advantage, 1. Lower computer cost. 2. Improve performance. 3. Reduce software cost. 4. Instant software update. 5. Improve document format compatibility. 6. Unlimited storage capacity. 7. Increase data reliability. 8. Universal document access. 9. Latest version availability. 10. Easier group collaboration. 11. Device independence. Next, disadvantage. 1. Require a constant internet connection. 2. Doesn't work well with low speed connection. 3. Feature might be limited. 4. Can be slow. 5. Stored data can be lost. 6. Stored data might not be secure.
Next, I will talk about cloud storage. Number 1, create an account username and password. Number 2, contain live with the account in the cloud. Number 3, log on to any computer with Wi-Fi to find your content. For example, Dropbox is file hosting service operated by Dropbox. Headquartered in San Francisco, California, that offer cloud storage, file synchronization, personal cloud, and clean software. Skydive is a free file hosting service. It lets users upload files to a cloud storage. The file can be accessed from web server. It was part of the Windows Live length of service. To use the OneDrive service, a user needs a Microsoft. OneDrive has support for Office web app. It lets users change and make Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Note 1 files. Next, about downloads for storage. 1. Download a cloud-based app to on your computer. 2. The app lives on your computer. 3. Save files to the app. 4. When connected to the internet, it will sync with the cloud. And 5. The cloud can be accessed from any internet connection.
In the end, I hope you enjoy the presentation about cloud computing. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Oh yes! I think I don't really understand. Thank you so much, my friend.
Oh, no problem, my friend.